Good morning.
Morning. What can I get you?
I'd like a sandwich, please.
Cheese, chicken, or veggie?
What is a veggie sandwich?
Fresh vegetables. Lettuce, tomato, cucumber.
I'd like the veggie sandwich.
Great choice. Any sauce?
Yes, please.
Grilled?
Grilled? What does that mean?
Warm on the grill. A little crispy.
Oh, yes. Grilled, please.
Anything to drink?
Can I have a mango juice?
Small or large?
Small. How much for everything?
Sandwich and juice, 500.
Here. Thank you.
Enjoy. See you again.
If the sandwich is good, definitely.
Hi, I'm Despina. We just arrived. Welcome. I'm Carmi, apartment 2A. Nice to meet you. How do you like this place? We like it, but I need some help. Of course. What do you need? Is there a good market nearby? Yes, Green Shop. One street that way. Green Shop. Is it expensive? No, very fair prices. I go there often. Do you know where I can buy milk? Green Shop has milk, but the dairy shop is better. Is there a dairy shop near here? Next to Green Shop. Fresh dairy store. Perfect. Anything else I should know? The local hall has free events. Free events? What kind? Music, art, and classes. All free. I like art classes. Go today. It's on Pine Street. Thank you, Carmi. You're very kind.
Hi, I need to scan some papers.
Sure. Do you have them on your phone?
Yes, right here.
Let me open it. How many files?
5 files.
How many copies of each?
2 copies, please.
Black and white or color?
Black and white. It's simple text.
10 pages total. 15 cents each.
$1.50. That's cheap.
Do you need them clipped?
Clipped. What does that mean?
Held together with this.
Oh, yes, please. Clipped.
Here you go. 2 copies clipped.
Perfect. These are for my meeting.
Meeting. Good luck.
Thank you. I have it tomorrow.
Good luck. Come back if you need more.
Hi, where can I find body lotion? Aisle 4, on the left. Thank you. Do you need anything else? I need face wash, too. Face wash is in the same aisle, next to body lotion. Perfect. And toothbrush. Aisle 1, right side. Where can I find hand soap? Also, aisle 4, bottom shelf. So many things in one aisle. Aisle 4 is the care aisle. I need perfume, too. Aisle 4 again, top shelf. I like aisle 4. Most people do. I think that's everything. Ready to pay? Yes. How much? $18.20. Card or cash? Card, please. Thank you.
Hi. Do you have light bulbs? Yes. What type? For a desk lamp. For a desk lamp. Usually LED or small bulb. I don't know the difference. Show me the lamp. Here. The old bulb is inside. Small bulb. This one. How much is this? A pack of 2. $4. I only need one. We only sell packs of 2. Sorry. Okay, I'll take the pack. Do you have another lamp at home, too? Yes, in the bedroom. Then you'll use both. Good idea. $4. $4. Cash or card? Cash. Here. Here's your change. $1. Thank you.
Hello.
Hello.
My friend told me about this place.
Welcome. How can I help?
What activities do you have?
Music, art, dance, and language.
Language. I need that.
Our class is for beginners.
When does it start?
Every Monday at 11.
Monday at 11. How long?
1 hour. 11 to 12.
Is it really free? Totally free?
Just register.
I'd like to register.
Fill out this form. Name and phone. Done. See you Monday at 11.
Monday.
It's Monday tomorrow.
Perfect timing. Carme was right. This place is great.
Carme. She joins the art class.
Small world.
Hi, I need a laptop charger. What laptop do you have? This one. It's 3 years old. Okay. You need a Type-C charger. Type-C? Is that the small one? Yes, the small round plug. Does this one work with my laptop? Let me check. Yes, perfect match. How much is it? $20. And this longer cable, does it work? Same type, just 3 meters long. 3 meters. I can charge from my bed. Everyone likes the long cable. I'll take this one, the long one. Good choice, $25. Here. Card, please. What happened to your old charger? It stopped working. The wire broke. That happens. This one is stronger. Thank you.
Hello. Hello. Is there a quiet study room? Yes, 3rd floor, room 305. Is it open now? Open until 7, very quiet there. Can I bring my laptop? Of course, many people work there. Is there internet? Yes, free internet. Password is on the desk. Perfect. I'm practicing English. We have English practice books too. Really? Where can I find them? Shelf C near the door, room 305. Books and a quiet room. Amazing. Do you have a member card? Not yet? I can make one now. It's free. Yes, please. Name and address. That's all I need. Done. Thank you. Enjoy the study room. It's peaceful.
Hi, what's the meal combo?
Rice, drink, and a dessert.
What comes with the rice?
Vegetables, sauce, and chicken.
Can I choose the rice?
White or brown.
Brown, please.
And the meat? Chicken, beef, or fish.
I'll have chicken.
Good choice. What drink?
What comes with the combo?
Water, soda, or tea?
I'll have tea, lemon.
And your free dessert?
Free dessert. What options?
Cake or pudding?
Cake, always.
Combo total, $900.
That's a good price.
Best price in this area.
I'll come again. Thank you.
Hi, I'm looking for a wall clock. What size do you want? A normal size for a room. 10 inches. That's the common size. Yes. Do you have nice ones? This one is black. Very simple. This one is nice, but a bit dark. I can show you a brighter one. Yes, please. This white one is clean. Oh, I like it. What size? 12 inches. Easy to read. I'll take this one. What room is it for? Our living room in the new home. That's lovely. Me and Enceladus in the room. First week. First week. You'll see it every day. How much? $8. Here, thank you. Enjoy your new clock. Many happy times ahead.
So, what did you do today?
I bought a sandwich for breakfast.
Was it good?
Very good. A veggie sandwich grilled.
What else?
I scanned my papers at the shop for my meeting.
Yes, 2 copies. Clipped.
New word.
Clipped. It means held together.
I learned new words too. Aisle, shelf. From the store.
Yes, I bought soap and lotion.
I bought light bulbs and a laptop charger.
Your old one broke?
Yes, but the new cable is 3 meters long.
3 meters. You can charge from the bed.
That's what the worker said.
I visited the local hall today.
What did you find?
Free language classes. Every Monday.
Free. That's great.
Carme told me about it.
Carme is a very kind neighbor.
And I went to the study room. Quiet place.
You had a very productive day.
And look what I bought.
A wall clock for us.
Our first item. First week in the new home.
That goes on the wall right now.